let's solve these two questions when it comes to what hydrocarbon. We're only going to solve two questions here. So I want to pay close attention because questions like this used to come out in what in exam, either JAMB, WAEC, or any other exam. Please pay close attention. So here we have which of the following pairs of compound belongs to the same homologous series. Which of the following pair of compound belongs to what to say homologous series. You have to understand homologous what series. Now, when we talk about homologous series, we talk about the word homologous. There are two things you must put in mind. Now, these are series of compounds that have the same general molecular formula. They have two things here. They have the same general molecular formula. They have the same general molecular formula, and each member is different from the other one by minus CH2. Do you understand? Each member is different from the other one by what minus what CH2. So there's something to put in mind here. The same general molecular formula. The same general molecular formula. Example are the what are the alkane, alkyne. Right there. Now you must know the general molecular formula of the alkane. General molecular formula of the alkane is what? CnH2n plus 2. You have to understand here. Why for the alkene is what? CnH2n. Why for the alkyne is what? Is CnH2n minus 2. Just so these are the three classes of hydrocarbon: the alkane, the alkene, and the alkyne. So now, when you pair two compounds, like this is what you're seeing A, B, C, and you consider that in pairs. So therefore, what to check if is what? Is it alkane, alkene, or alkyne? Just so look at this guy here. We have C3H10, C3H6. Now these two cannot be the same homologous series. Just because two of them have the same numbers of carbon here. Because when you still talk about CnH2n plus 2, this N means what? Numbers of carbon. This N means what? Numbers of carbon. Why do all of this means what? Numbers of what? Of hydrogen. So when you now see two compounds that have the same carbon atom, they cannot be the same homologous of series. Just that they cannot be the same homologous series. So these two cannot be the same series. Because here we have 3, here we have 3, here we have hydrogen, here we have 10 hydrogen, here we have 6 hydrogen. Now, if you look at this guy here, C3H10, if you should plug 3 here, how many carbon do you have? Here we have 3, right? If you should plug 3 here, you have to get C3H2 3 plus 2, right? Plug it here. So here we have 2 times 3 is what? 2 times 3 is what? Is 6. Plus 2 is what? Is what? Plus 2 is 8. So you have C3H8. This that. But here we have C3H10. It does not really make sense like that. If you should also plug 3 here, you should plug 3 here. Here we have C3H. 2 times 3 here we have 6. Just that. So these two cannot be in the same series. Now, because here it is C3H10, they're not like C3H10. This one is actually 1. So when I talk about if two compounds can actually belong to the same series here, they cannot be the same numbers of carbon. Just that they cannot be the same numbers of carbon. That is what. So this one is already out. Just so let's look at what the B part. Let's look at what the B part. If you look at the B part, C4H10. C4H10. So now we want to test it. Just I want to test it. C4H10. If I should put 4 here, right? If I should put 4 here, what am I going to get? It's going to be C4H24 plus 2, right? C4H24 plus 2, which is going to be C4. 2 times 4 is what? Is 8. Plus 2 is which is what? Is 10. Now, this one fits it. Just this one fits it. Now, let's plug this one here. let's see if you are going to get C5H10. If you should plug this one here, like if you should plug this guy to this other one here, you are going to get C5H. Here we have 2, 5 plus 2. Now which is going to be what? C5H. 2 times 5 is what? Is 10 plus 2, which is going to be 12. Now these two, as many if you plug 5 here, you're going to get C5H10, right? So this guy is what? Is an alkane, but this guy is not an alkane. Just because if you should put 5 here, you're supposed to get C5H12. So, but let's do something here. So this alkane, C4 fits it, but C5H10 do not fit it. Just so these two are not in the same series. As a matter of fact, this guy actually belongs to what? To alkene. This guy belongs to alkene. If you check it very well, this guy belongs to alkene. So if you check there, we're going to do what? C5H25. Do you see that? So here we now what? C5H10. That is it. So you say that this guy is an alkane. This guy is an alkene. This one is not what correct. They are not in the same series. They are not in the same what series. Open your side. They are not in the same what series. So like what C. Let's test C. If you should test C, C is what? C2H4. Let's plug 2 here and let's plug 4 here. If you are going to get the same thing, if you plug 2 here, you have C2H2 2 plus 2, right? You want to be what? C2H 2 times 2 4 plus 2 6, right? Here we have C2H4. That is, this guy is not alkane, but if you plug 2 here, you're going to get C2H2 2, right? We're going to be C2H4. It means that this guy is actually what? Alkene. C2H10, C2H4 is actually what? An alkene. Just is not an alkene. So let's test this one first. If you should test this other guy, here, since you know that this one is what is, since you know that this guy is what is an alkene, let's test this guy if this guy is an alkene. This guy cannot be an alkene. Because if you plug it here, if you plug this numbers of carbon atom here, so here we have C4H24, right? Well, it will be C4H8. So as me is an alkene, it's supposed to be C4H10. So these two are not the same series. They're not in the same series. This guy is what is an alkene. This guy is what is. This guy is an alkene. This guy is alkene. This guy is this guy. Why is this guy here? They don't belong to the same series. Do you understand? So because they don't have the same general molecular formula. So, but let's test this guy first. Let's test this guy. Let's look at what this D. Let's test D. D. If you look at this guy will fit here, and this guy will also fit here. Why? Because if you plug 2 here, if you should put 2 here, what are you going to get? I want to get C2H2, right? Times 2, which is going to be 4, plus 2 is going to be what? 6. So this guy is what? Is alkane, right? Let's test this guy going to be alkane. C4H2, 2 times 4 is what? Sorry. So which is what? C4 2 4 plus 2, right? It would be C4 2 times 4 is what? Is 8 plus 2 10, right? So these two belongs to the same series. So this is not the answer because these two do not belong to the same series. This does not belong to the same series. This one is alkane. This one is what? This one is alkane, so it's an alkene. This not belongs to the same series here. This one is alkene, so is what? Is alkane. But these two belong to the same series. They are alkane and alkane. Why? Because they have the same molecular, because they have the same general molecular formula. So these two is the pair. So this is what? This is the answer. Just now, this is the what is the answer. So you must understand this thing very well, so that whenever you see a question like this, you'll be able to answer it. Understand alkane, and alkyne, and the general what molecular formula. The ones that have the same general molecular formula, they are pairs of what homologous series. Do you understand? Let's look at what question 2. Let's solve this question here. Question 2. Consider the reaction represented by the following equation. Now, here we have a double bond here. Please take class. Here we have a double bond here. Now, whenever you see an hydrocarbon with a double bond, understand that is what is an alkyne. Is what is an alkyne. Is an alkyne. Right? Now, this type of reaction is called addition reaction, because if you check it very well, this ethyne, remember here we have 2 carbon atom here. So whenever you have 2 carbon atom here, it's called ethyne. It's called what? Ethyne. So ethyne will react with hydrogen. What will it produce? And that product is going to produce. If it should also react with hydrogen, what is it going to produce? X and Y, respectively R. So they're asking here, let me write this on out. So here we have hydrogen C plus what? H2. Now let me ask you here, what type of reaction is this? When alkyne reacts with hydrogen, what type of reaction is that? Please leave that comment section. Let me hear from you. What type of reaction is that? What type of reaction is that? Now, this type of reaction is called addition reaction. It's called what? Addition reaction. Now, when you have something like this, when you have this triple bond added to what? To hydrogen here. Remember, this hydrogen is 2. Remember, this hydrogen is 2, right? One will be added here, one will be added here. So this guy will be added to this point, and this guy will be added to this point here. Now, whenever you're adding hydrogen, whenever you're adding a molecule of hydrogen, like hydrogen gas, 1 molecule of hydrogen gas here, what you want to put in your mind is that it breaks what? One of the what? Bonds. Just now, because here contain 2 double bonds, it contains triple bonds, which are what? 1 sigma bond and what? 1 pi bond. So what will happen here is that if you add hydrogen here and add hydrogen here, I want to get something like this. Hydrogen here. Right? So you have added 1 hydrogen at this point. You have added 1 hydrogen at this point. Do you understand? This guy is what? Is ethyne. This guy is what? Is ethyne. So when you add hydrogen here, you find that 1 hydrogen will be added here, 1 hydrogen will be added here, and from to this other point here, you find that the triple bond have changed to what? To a double bond here. Do you understand? This is that what my so this is what is the first what? Reaction, and this guy is called ethene. Just now this reaction can also undergo addition reaction again with hydrogen, with this hydrogen gas, with this hydrogen what? Molecule. So if you bring it to this other side here, we have hydrogen here plus what? H2. So what are you going to get? Now, this guy too, remember here we have hydrogen here. 1 will be added to this point, and 1 will be what? Added to this point here. Just that. So when you add it, what are you going to get? I want to get hydrogen here. C, hydrogen, 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 what? And hydrogen. Just that. This guy is called ethane. This guy is called ethane. In the sense that my x is equal to what? CH2 double bond CH2, which is what? Is ethene. Then my y is what? Is what? CH3 CH3. This that. So this one here, how many carbon atom? Here we have carbon atom here. I have 2 hydrogen. So that we have CH2 CH2, which is the X, right? Because if you look at it there, when you got to here from X, which is this guy here, ethene, right? This ethene, when you react with hydrogen again, for what? Ethane. This one is what? Is ethane. So what is now the what? The option. Here we have ethene, ethane. So this is the option here. A, ethene and ethane. Here we have ethane and ethene. No, but they say X and Y respectively. X will come before Y. So this is not correct. This is not correct, and this is not correct. So the answer is what? Is A. Now follow me if you want to learn more of this type of. Follow me if you want to see more of this type of content. And if you want to see more of this video, that will be of great help to you. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.